how to use the variant feature in the Beae website builder. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can use the variant feature in the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you guys come onto the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here, you guys can simply drag and drop the variant feature from the left side over on the main page. After that, from over here, you guys can see all the options on the right side. You guys can add in a preview over here. You guys can add in whatever you want. I'm gonna add in a cuff, a one-piece cuff bangle, and then after that I'm gonna basically click on it, and then I will click on select from the bottom right. As soon as I do that, now I'll have my preview over here, and then on the right side I can change up the design for this particular option. I can change up the design for the variant option. I can change it to be a button. I can change it to be combined. I can also change it to be a drop down menu like it was before, and also I can change up the alignment to center, right, or to be square. Then you have the option for the show variant label, show as inline, show variant selected, and then you also have the option to hide solo variants, enable color swatches, and also enable image swatches as well. Then below that you have the option for grid settings. In the grid settings, you guys can change the variance per row, the column gap as well, the row gap too. Then up top you have the option for style. In the style option, you guys can change up every single thing about this particular variant option. You guys can change up the alignment for the variant labels. You can change up the text color as well to any other color that you guys want, and also the option to change up the font is available here as well. You guys can increase the size, change up the weight to be more heavy or to be lighter. You guys can also transform this to be uppercase, lowercase, or just simply reset the value completely. You can also change up the style to some other style as well. And of course, you also have the option for decoration too. You guys can use all of these options and make sure that your feature really stands out and looks the best on your website. You can even modify the spacing using this very cool option over here. Then you have the same options for the variant selected as well, and also for the variant drop down as well. You guys can completely modify this to make sure that your element is completely unique to your website. So guys, that is how you guys can use the variant picker in the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.